Imagine waking up every day knowing your income doesn't depend on a boss, a job title, or a paycheck that barely covers your bills. Imagine building something that runs 24/7, makes money while you sleep, and actually produces real value. This isn't some fantasy. It's what smart people are doing in 2025 by starting their own small-scale manufacturing businesses. Not factories, not billion-dollar setups, but lean, smart, profitable businesses that turn raw materials into cash and ordinary people into wealthy entrepreneurs. Now, you might be thinking, isn't manufacturing expensive, complicated, risky? Let me stop you right there. Because in 2025, manufacturing has changed. It's not just for big companies anymore. With low startup costs, remote automation, and niche demand exploding, this is your moment. So buckle up, because I'm about to show you 10 profitable manufacturing business ideas you can start this year, even if you've never owned a business before. And make sure you stick around till the end, because the last idea might just be the easiest one to start today. Let's get into it. Idea number 1, custom candle manufacturing. You'd be surprised how massive this market is, especially for luxury or eco-friendly candles. You can start in your garage, sell online, and scale using molds, scents, and branding. Low cost, high profit. Smells like success, doesn't it? Number 2, organic soap and skincare products. This one's hot. Everyone wants chemical-free handmade skincare. With just basic equipment and natural ingredients, you can manufacture boutique quality products and sell on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. Bonus, high repeat customers. Number 3, 3D printing product manufacturing. Welcome to the future. 3D printing lets you create prototypes, tools, custom accessories without a massive production line. All you need is a decent printer, design software, and a bit of creativity. Think glasses frames, phone holders, or even custom figurines. Quick reset. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. None of these require a massive warehouse or $1 million loan. You just need vision and consistency. Number 4, eco-friendly packaging products. The demand for sustainable packaging is exploding. If you can produce biodegradable containers, paper wraps, or reusable cloth packaging, companies will pay. This is not only profitable, it's ethical. Money with a mission. Number 5, customized apparel and print-on-demand clothing. You might have seen it before, but here's the twist. Niche targeting. Instead of just generic t-shirts, imagine designs for teachers, fitness moms, or crypto investors. Use heat transfer machines or embroidery tools. Start from home, scale with demand. Here's a question. What's the one product Americans keep buying no matter what? Food, which brings us to number 6, snack food manufacturing. Healthy chips, protein bars, keto bites. Small-scale snack manufacturing is booming. Local stores love unique products with personality. If you've got a secret recipe or a creative flavor, this could be your cash machine. Number 7, paper products like journals and planners. People are going back to analog. Handmade journals, goal planners, habit trackers. They sell like crazy. You can manufacture these in small batches using a binding machine and some smart design. Add a motivational twist, and you're in business. Still with me? Good. Because number 8 is a sleeper hit. Pet product manufacturing. From organic dog treats to custom pet beds, the pet industry is a $100 billion market. People spend big on their furry friends. Start small, build loyal fans, and you'll have a brand that grows faster than a golden retriever. Number 9, home decor manufacturing. Think wooden signs, wall art, LED lamps, concrete plant pots. TikTok trends turn these into viral products overnight. If you've got a creative touch and basic tools, you're in. Now for the big one. Number 10. The most beginner-friendly, high-potential idea of them all. Private label manufacturing. This is where you partner with an existing manufacturer, add your own branding, and sell as your own product. From supplements to kitchenware, the possibilities are endless. You focus on marketing and brand identity. They handle the production. Low barrier, high reward. Here's the cliffhanger. Most people will watch this video, nod, and scroll away. But the few who pause, pick one idea, and take action, those are the ones who will look back and say, "That video changed my life." Because here's the truth. You don't need a factory. You don't need $1 million. You need an idea, a decision, and the discipline to show up every day. Start small, learn as you go, fail fast, adjust quickly. Because in 2025, the opportunities are wide open, but only for those who move. And if you want more real-world strategies, money mindset shifts, and practical business ideas just like these, subscribe to Money Momentum and turn your goals into income.